Hey everyone, want to chat with friends and other players on Roblox? Roblox offers several chat features, including in-game chat, private messages in supported experiences, and party communication. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use Roblox chat safely and effectively in 2026. So let's get started. First, open Roblox and sign in to your account. You'll need to be logged in before you can use any chat features. Next, join a Roblox experience that has text chat enabled. Some experiences may disable chat or use custom communication systems created by the developer. Once you're in the game, open the chat window. On most computers, press the / key or click the chat icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Type your message into the chat box and press enter to send it. Your message will appear according to the game's chat settings, and Roblox's automatic chat filters may modify or block messages that violate community standards. Roblox uses safety features and chat filtering, especially for younger users. Depending on your account age, privacy settings, parental controls, and the game's features, some chat options may be limited or unavailable. Finally, never share personal information such as your real name, phone number, address, passwords, or account details. If another player behaves inappropriately, use Roblox's block and report features to help keep the community safe. And that's how to chat on Roblox in 2026. Whether you're talking with friends or communicating with teammates, understanding how chat works and following Roblox's safety guidelines will help you enjoy a better gaming experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.